makeup tutorial. So, I look a little alienish. I'm trying something new. But today I bring to you something awesome, and I look alien because we're doing alien makeup. So this is called the Interstellar eyeshadow collection by Blackheart. This is found at Hot Topic. This is where I got it from. It was only $8.90, and I believe we got it on sale. So good deal. But this was actually one of my first actual palettes besides like CoverGirl and you know the drugstore stuff that you see. But this is what it looks like. You do get this cool little brush. Let me show you. Okay, it has this little bristly thing, an actual kind of brush on the end of it, and then it has like another little spongy thing. And as you can see, I use it. I do. Finally getting around to doing a tutorial on it. Kind of try and make it quick. My last one was a bit long. Ignore my funky nails. I bite them and they're not manicured, so okay. Okay. So we're just gonna get right into it. All right, so what I'm gonna do today, and I kind of have the rest of my face done. I'm just gonna focus on the eyeshadow and the eyes for now. So I really enjoy this moon dust color. It's a really good copper brownish type base. And I'm just using my big fatty brush. This is called a large shadow brush. I don't have a Morphe brush or any of these awesome name ones. I just kind of have the Bobo shit and it works good. So we don't all have $20 to spend on makeup brushes. But anyways, I'm gonna do this. Shit, I always forget to prime. Always forget to prime. Okay. And what I'm gonna do, I'll just do one at a time so you can just see how I do it. Let's prime. Okay. You know what? Okay. Do it anyway. I'm not saying this is right. I'm not a professional. Okay, we'll try it. Moon dust. Alright guys, so next, I'm going to use this beautiful angled crease brush. Good, no fluffies. Fluffies and angled for the crease. Okay. So, trying to figure what to do. Let's go with Milky Way. We'll do the Milky Way on the outside. On this part. I just want to show you guys that you don't have to spend so much money on makeup, you know, for it to be pigmented and for it to look good. I was actually highly impressed with how this makeup goes, with how pigmented it is. Okay. Okay. And what I'm gonna do, because I do want to darken up the corners or the outside a little bit, I'm gonna go with Earth, which is like a charcoal kind of color. Let's see. Just kind of put that on the outside. Just darken that up. I guess I should be zoomed in so you can see me. There's a lot of dark crap going on in my eye right now. What's that about? Alright, so what I'm going to do now, always do the inner corner, and I'm doing, this is a petite eye shading brush. We're gonna do the sun. It's the white sun. The bright color, the brightest color in the galaxy. Put that right there. brighten that up a little bit because made it a little dark. Beautiful. And I'm gonna do my other eye. Alright guys, now that that is done, I feel like I want to make it pop just a little bit more. Like I'm liking the way that the purple is going. However, I want to add the asteroid for the bottom lash line. And for that, I'm using, it's just an eyeliner brush, a real little liner brush. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that color and we'll see how that looks. Let's see. I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but I do not have a mirror in front of me. So I'm using you. I don't know how well this is showing up. A little bit of blue in there. Do a galaxy look. Kind of blend that into the white slightly. Blend it. And I'm gonna do the other eye. Alright guys, now that I have that final color on there, nice and beautiful galaxy, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner. This is my go-to if you have not seen my other videos. I love this stuff. This is the Jordana liquid eyeliner pencil. It is waterproof and it's just a really soft pencil on there, and seriously it's like $2 or $3 and the only place I can find it is Walgreens. I'm sure you can order online as well, or I don't know if they have jordanacosmetics.com, but this is my go-to. Like, I love this stuff. So let me go do this one and do some eyeliner on the eyeball. Just a little bit. I want to keep the white on there and just kind of darken up the outer corner. Okay. And I'll do the other eye. Alright guys, so I finally got that on, and now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. This is my magic marker, magical eyeliner. And this is just, again, cheap but good. It is ELF from Walmart. That's where I get it from. Or drugstores or whatever, but I'm gonna do my wing eyeliner and I'll be right back. Alright guys, now that I have my winged eyeliner on, I'm going to add a little bit of glitter, and this is not from the palette, but what's a galaxy without a little bit of sparkle? Let's put some stars in this galaxy. Okay, this is some Revlon stuff. Liquid eye art. So it comes with 2 different colors. I'm gonna do the glitter one. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of glitter. I think glitter is so pretty. And this stuff does have to dry. Okay. And to finish off the look, I want to do something a little extra because, you know, I'm an extra kind of person. I'm going to use, again, Jordana, because I'm obsessed with their brand. They also have this liquid eyeliner pencil things as well. So I'm going to use, this is a perfect color match for the asteroid color and the Interstellar palette that we're using today. So I'm gonna use this. It's just like a little brush, kind of. Focus. Okay, it's not focusing, but you get the idea. So now I want to do a little line right underneath of that wing. I just think that's so pretty. All right, now I'm going to do my mascara and my eyelashes, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, the lashes are on, eyes are officially done, and this is the final look. Hope you enjoy it, and you think that it's beautiful as I think that it is. So yeah, this is my galaxy look. This is, again, the Blackheart Interstellar eyeshadow palette. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, if you want to try it out for yourself. This palette is really amazing. I'll maybe do another video on swatches or something, because it is really totally worth the $8 that I paid for it. So yeah, so don't forget to, guess what, subscribe for more awesome videos. And yeah, so that's it. And so yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye.